Hello, welcome to our channel Vijayalakshmi. Today we are going to see another one question from second semester Polytechnic Engineering Physics. Today we are going to see the 13th question in this series. The question is explain in detail about the components of remote sensing. The answer is there are two components of remote sensing. They are data acquisition and data analysis. Data acquisition means collecting the data, and second is the analysis of the collected data. Now we are going to see the steps involved in data acquisition. The data acquisition includes the following 5 steps. A. Energy source. B. Propagation through atmosphere. C. Interaction with earth surface. D. Spaceborne sensors to detect the reflected energy. E. Conversion into digital and picture form. That is, the data collected is converted into digital and picture form. The process includes that the electromagnetic wave, the source is the electromagnetic wave emitted by the source. It propagates through the atmosphere. It interacts with the earth surface and get reflected. The spaceborne sensor detect the reflected energy and it converts into digital or picture form. These are the steps involved in data acquisition, that is collecting the data. Here we are seeing the diagram included in data acquisition. 1 is the energy source, 2 is the propagation through atmosphere, 3 is the interaction with the earth surface, 4 is the sensor to detect the reflected energy, 5 is conversion into digital and picture form. Second is the data analysis. We have two types of data collected, that is picture data and digital data. So we have two types of analysis steps involved. First one is the visual interpretation technique and second one is the digital analysis. Now analyzing the picture data using viewing instruments is called visual interpretation technique. By this technique the picture data is analyzed. The second one is the digital data. The digital data is analyzed using computer and it is called digital analysis. This is the diagram for data analysis. We have two steps. One is the visual interpretation technique and second one is the digital analysis. The data collected is analyzed by these two techniques and it is converted into information. The information is again sent to the users. And that's all this question. I hope you understand this question. Please learn the daily questions daily itself. Thank you those who all have subscribed. Thank you.